Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how I can working with the card inside the bootstrap-vue. The card is some way to style your content, and it will look pretty good. And personally I don't use it so much. Why? I really don't know, because it's look very awesome. But just because I'm not using it, I will not cheat you to not using it. I will recommend you to use it and style it when you need it, because it will help you a lot and will help you to prototype something very fast. And before we are starting to code in this video, I will just ask about, you want to subscribe this channel in the right corner below and press the ding. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you have any questions, please make the comments below, and all the code in this video will be found on my GitHub profile. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much, and let's coding. Let's create the first the card we want, and this should be a very basic one, and I will make a title here and call it a card title. And then we want to create a subtitle, card subtitle. Inside the card we can have a card text, we can have a link and something like that. So I'll just say card text. Inside this I will say hello world, this is a card text sample. And then we will create one more, be card text. And we can say this is a second card text element. And to the end of it we will just create a b-link and class card link. Then it will look nice, and link here. Let's go in for the browser to see how it's reacting. And you can see here it will fill out everything. So the card will take the width in the maximum width in the content area. So if you have split it up like in the grid, where you have 3 columns, then it will be one of those 3 columns you have here. So that's what we gonna do now. I'll create 3 more cards below so you can see how it's working. So let's go back to the editor and just copy this one. And the HR, B row, B column, and then we go in here and we need to copy one more. And let's go back to the browser and see what is happening. Now you can see we have the first one up here. It's filling 100% of everything, and then we have 3 down here. And now we have 3 smaller cards. It's look pretty nice, you can see, and that's what I was speaking about. When you have a column and you fill the card inside, then it's changed the way you're using it. Now I'll show how we can use the card and use the images. And I'll just going back for the editor and copy those 3 here, because we want to play with that. Now we have 3 new. The first the card we want to play with should be with the image, and we can just set the image here, image src. And what we're gonna do now is just using the https and place kitten.com 600.300, and then we have the image, and I want to place it in the top, image top. And the second we want to play with this card down here, we will put it in the bottom. And then let's say we want the last one and put it in the overlay. And the difference between those is the image top will of course place the image in the top, and the image bottom will be in the bottom, and the overlay should be 740 will be the background. That's what I mean. Will be the background of the card. So let's go back for the browser and see what's happening. And you can see here how it's reacting. We have the two nice kitties here with the image in the top and in the bottom, and then we have the cute little kitty here in the different image. It's in the card title here, and it's working pretty smooth. Of course, we can use the right and left position, so let's try that out. I'm just going down here to create one new one. And what I'm just doing now is just copy this and say B row and B col. And what we're gonna do is say image left and copy this column and say image right. Let's go in for the browser one more time. If you're scrolling down, oh, it's the overlay, so something is wrong here. Yeah, that's something that's wrong. What's happening? Let's change a little bit. I don't need the column here. And then we need a little bit other images, 300. I think it's because the images is too big, maybe. And yes, here we go. It's much more spacing. I'll just go inside and make it a little bit more beautiful. Sorry for the mistake. That's working. That's how it's working when you have just memorizing your stuff in the Word document and you don't read it correctly. And let's going back for the browser one more time. You can now see we have the on the left hand and we have the image on the right hand. So in this case, you can make some nice stuff about the card. And I think we want to work a little bit with the card group, and then I can show you how the card group is working and how it's look like. So let's going back for the editor and do this. Let's scroll down and create it here. Then we say B card group. And we say deck, and then we say B card, and we set the background. You can change the background in the variant. So let's say we want to primary. You can do it anywhere you want, but this time I just want to show you something about how you can mix everything together. Then say the white and the header primary. Then we say context, hello world, block 1. And then I just want to copy those 3 times. And then we want to one down below here. I'll just say 2 and 3. And we don't want any header here. Okay, it's fine. I'll just see my secondary, and then we want to say succeeds. And what we're gonna do now, it's I want to change the border variant, and I will change it to secondary, and we don't want any change of color here. And then we have it down below. We say border variant, and we want to say succeeds. That's what we want, and we say header text variant should be white. And we want to say header background variant succeeds. And the first one, yeah, we can go back for the browser here and scrolling down. We have 3 ones. You can see we have 3 different here. And yeah, I just create a little bit space down below here, so it's not so sticky in the bottom. And you can see here down below we have a card group. So up here I using the row and the column, and if you use the card group you can just group them in exactly the same way, and it's very nice. And you can see I have changed the color based on what I want to do. The first one, it's everything, it's blue in the primary, and the second one is the border, it's secondary, and the same in here in the top. And in the third one, it's only the header and the border it succeeds. The content here is still the white, so you can read it. And that's about the card. You can see you have a lot of different style options here, and of course you can change the styles if you know the classes. And that's what I want to speak about with the classes and the card in the bootstrap-vue and the card group. Thank you so much to stay here with me and see the video for the end. And I really hope you enjoy, and I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can press the link below in the right corner, and don't forget to share it and like it. And I really hope you want to smash the comments if you have any kind of questions. I'll be likely to answer you. And remember, all the code will be on my GitHub, so you can just follow the links below in the description. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.